How do you do? Are you enjoying summer? Well, this is your Vaishni from Zphs Rayakuduru. Keep learning, keep practicing the secret of success. Friends, we decided to continue learning spoken English and making spoken English videos as well in the summer. Okay, let's come to the point. Today's topic is use it to. In this video, we are going to learn how to use it to in our daily life. In addition to this, you will learn the difference between use it to and would in the end. So don't skip in the middle. Watch it till the end. So friends, shall we see how our friends performed? Then come on.
Friends, use it to is one of the modal verbs. It is used to say that something happened continuously or frequently during a period in the past. Its structure is used to plus V1. Its negative form is didn't use to plus V1. Here, used not to plus V1 can also be used, but it's rather formal.
Hi.
Hi.
What would you like to have? Tea, coffee or milk?
Milk.
With sugar or without sugar?
Without sugar.
But you used to take milk with sugar, right?
Yes, I did, but not now.
It's good. I will get back within a minute with sugarless milk, okay?
Thank you.
Hi, I am Teju. In my childhood days, I used to brush my teeth for an hour. I used to play with chicks. I used to call chilies pichkayalu instead of pachmirapakayalu and cockroaches buggan chukka instead of boddinka.
Hi. I have seen our results. You scored more than 90%. Congratulations.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. But what about Suma? She scored below 60%. She used to score more than 95% in every examinations in the last academic year.
Yes, she did, but she concentrates on chess these days. She wants to become a professional chess player. She spends lot of time with chess.
Well, let's hope she becomes a good chess player.
Yeah, see you later.
Bye.
Hi Bala. Do you know Madhvi?
Of course, we were classmates. We used to sit on the same bench. We studied together for 1 year. By the way, why are you asking about her?
I happened to meet her on train. She told me about you. She is very nice, isn't she?
Certainly, we used to be very close. She used to help me in studies, especially in maths. She used to be very good at studies. We used to play games.
Well, she told me you used to play shuttle badminton with her.
Yes, I did.
Then why don't you play now?
I used to find a lot of time to play at school. Now, my concentration is on IT. No time for games. By the way, where does she live now?
Actually, I wanted to ask her about that, but suddenly my stop came. But before getting off the train, I saved her contact number on my phone. I will share her number with you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Bye then, it's time for me to go for spoken English class.
Bye.
Hi, my name is Anita from Zphs Rayakuduru. When I was a kid, I used to play kitchen game using toy vessels. I used to make toys with soil and I used to break my sister's piggy banks.
Hi Aparna, why did you get up so early today? I think you are on summer occasion.
Of late, I have been getting up early. I used to get up late till a few days ago.
Why did you used to get up late?
Because I didn't used to go for spoken English class.
Okay, at what time does your spoken English class begin?
At 8 o'clock.
Okay, oh, it's already 7:45. You carry on.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hi Bala, congratulations. You got 96 marks out of 100 in maths exam. You never used to score like that. How could you do it? The whole credit goes to our friend Aparna. She helped me a lot while preparing for examination. I should be grateful to her. Actually, I used to think that she was unfriendly, but now I realized she is a very nice person. Exactly. Friends, generally we have trouble with the difference between used to and would. That's why I would like to give some clarification on it. Okay? See, used to is used for any actions or situations that continued for a period of time in the past, including repeated actions or situations. But would is used only for actions or situations that were repeated many times. Look at this example. When he was in 6th class, he used to play cricket every Sunday. Here we can use both used to and would because it's a repeated action. Now look at this example. Our SEKHAR'S used to live in Vizianagaram, but he moved to West Godavari in 2003. Here we cannot use would because it's not a repeated action. It's an action that continued for a period of time.
Hi Bala.
Hi.
Did you used to eat soil in your childhood days?
No, I didn't.
You?
Yes, I did.
Did you used to live in East Godavari?
Yes, we did, but we live in West Godavari now.
Did you used to sleep late?
No, I didn't, but a little bit late now.
Would you watch movies every Sunday?
Yes, I would, but not now.
Would you go to library every weekend?
No, I wouldn't. Friends, we tried our level best to make you understand how used to is used in our daily life and the difference between used to and would.
please remember that your feedback is the most important thing for us. So please post your opinions in the comments. Thank you so much guys. You watch SEKHAR'S English. Bye bye.